What's up, YouTube? Here at Lake Hemet, Saturday morning. I recorded an intro, but unfortunately it got lost, and here we are, and my brother's getting into the bite. Here we go.
May you take your bell off? Yeah. No, you don't care? Yeah. Nice one. I'll get the stringer, bro. Alright, my brother on the board with one trout. First one of the season. Alright, see if we can get more. It's on there because the line's loose. Nah, you're good. It's a good size one, dude. You want me to move this out of the way? Want me to take your bell off?
Don't bother me. Oh, dude. You got it just in time, bro. It fucking snapped right as you got it in there.
No way.
Yeah, look.
Oh,
right
shit.
as you fucking got it in, bro. Came right out of it.
Dude, it's a big one, bro.
Fuck yeah.
Nice one. Hold on, let me get his second one. Beast. God, you should have caught that on video, bro. Hold on. Alright, just caught this one. Looking through my fat ass in the water to catch it because my pole's going. No skunk for me.
Like I was saying, I had to jump in the lake because I was messing around with the GoPro trying to hit the record button while the fish was biting, and before I knew it, my fishing pole was in the lake and headed pretty quick, so I had no other option but to
for no reason
jump in. I tried to reach for it, and when I reached for it, it was getting further, so I just jumped on it.
He's on. Take your bell off? No, it gives you luck, huh?
Little garlic, no spray.
Yeah, that's what I have. Yeah. Good one.
Good little guy.
He was gonna run again, dude. Andres with 3. Are you gonna leave any trout for anybody else? All right, so I ended up catching 1. My brother caught 3. Apparently this is a video about my brother because he's mainly the only one in it. He had the luck today, but yeah, man, as he would say, it's not luck, it's technique and expertise. But yeah, I call it a successful day. I didn't get skunked, we didn't get skunked, so it was a good one. So all right, man, catch you guys on the next one.